Do you think that works in real life?
Okay, just like in a video game, they use just one button to open up the lock. Square, triangle, circle, X, L1, R1, R2.
X. See, it worked! Yeah, you just hit the button and okay, the gate was already open. This doesn't prove anything. Alright, let's see if it works this time. X. Square, triangle, circle, L1, R1, R2, L2. Mother! Alright, so we learned that this can't open up anything. Mechanical, electronic, nothing. This does not open up anything. Now, anyways, this is a flipper. With a flipper, you can open up a lot that is electronical, such as RFIDs, sub-gigahertz, infrared. Like, yeah, you can even mess with your TV with this thing. It's pretty fun. One thing that we want to pay attention to is the GPOI pins. Now with the flipper, since it's got so many like GPOI pins on there, what we're going to do is we're going to put a mod on here that can open up mechanical locks as well as electronic. So this will be the ultimate skeleton key when I'm done with it. Alright, so now that we've gotten that all drawn up, it's time to build it.
Just enjoy the show. Godless, heathen, fatherless and seething. Take me to your power cut and watch me glow. Susan's on the frenzy and Jeff is on the coke. I am inside of your walls right now, you can't escape me. Take your pills and keep on breathing, this is not a joke. Parasocial paranoia, I just wanna chill out. Put your tinfoil hat on, I am just a stupid bunny rabbit.
Alright, so I made this little thing right here to test out the auto lockpick, you know, the flipper mod. Problem is, it's not as easy as it seems. Here's first trial, failed. Here's second trial, failed. Here's third trial, guess what, fail. Third trying to try my butt. And here's fourth try, fail. Now we are on number 5. This bad boy has mechanical gears. It's using all the same properties as the last one. The only difference is I haven't added the circuits yet. So mechanically this should work. I don't know. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. All right, trial number 5. It's really big and bulky. Worst part is when you put it on, it's even bigger and bulkier. Let's see if it works. If I can get my wrench in there. Jesus Christ, that's kind of hard to do with the camera in front of you. Alright, let's see if it works. No f***ing way! Great saying that I heard when I was a kid. You can pick your friends. You can pick your locks. But you can't pick your friends' locks. Okay, so now that we know that the mechanical mod works, let's see how if the flipper actually does what it's portrayed to do. Does it act as a key fob? Oh god, I hope so. Otherwise this would have just been a sad video. Once you have the flipper, you go ahead and scan your ID or key fob or whatever. Go ahead and run it in the app. Once it's run in the app, then it should work just like the key fob. And your gate is open! Alright, so this one worked because of the gears is what I'm assuming. There was a lot of circuitry that had to go into this thing. I had to put like a Jewel Thief Slater circuit in here just to run this big old motor. It's not meant to run off of just 3 volt to 5 volts. It needs a lot more. It needs around like 12 to 20. So I had to add like a little Slater circuit to boost this up so it actually moves. But the gears, once they're moving, this can only be in one direction once the gears are in there, because the gear rotation, it mechanically forces the pins, all those springs, to move. That's why the previous ones weren't working. The previous ones don't work because they were just going in a circle and then it would move up and down on a rubber band, and that was causing the springs to move, but the springs wouldn't move because it wasn't enough force. So if you see YouTube videos of people making these same kind of lock picks with like toothbrushes or anything like that, I'm gonna call bull, because you need quite a lot of force in order to move all 5 to 9 pins. It ain't happening with just the motor itself. You're gonna need some kind of tension, some kind of something. So thank you guys for tuning in for this video, watching me make this weird skeleton key flipper mod thing. But please like and subscribe to keep this channel going. There will be more videos to come, and honestly, you guys are awesome. Thank you, and tune in next time.